Hello friends, my name is Lakshmika and you are watching Comrades Defense Info. Today's video is very important for those who loves Indian Army and wants to become a pilot. Yes, it is true that you can be a pilot in the Indian Army through Army Aviation Corps. So watch the full video to know all the details regarding Army Aviation. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Before talking about how to become a pilot, I will tell you some basic information that will help you understand easily. Point number 1. Difference between SSC and PC, that is Short Service Commissioned and Permanent Commission. Short Service Commission is where you can serve in the Indian Army or any other armed forces for only 14 years and after that you will have to retire. And what is Permanent Commission? Permanent Commission is a service in which you can serve till your retirement age. Point number 2. Types of combat arms in the Indian Army and what is called a parent arm. So there are combat arms and combat support arms in the Indian Army. Combat arms are infantry, mechanized infantry, armored corps. Now combat support arms are artillery, engineers, signals and Army Aviation Corps. So now what is called a parent arm? Soon after your pre-commissioning in any academy, you will be asked to choose an arm in any of the following that I told before. For example, if you chose Signal Corps as your arm in the Indian Army and after serving 1.5 years in the Indian Army, you can opt to Army Aviation Corps. That is, you can change from Signal Corps to Army Aviation Corps if you have served in the Indian Army for at least 1.5 years service. So here Signal Corps is called as the parent arm. I hope it is clear. So you have two ways to join Indian Army as a pilot. Number 1. You can volunteer for Army Aviation during pre-commissioning training. Actually, before passing out from IMA and OTA, your choice will be asked which arms you want to join, in which you can put your preference as Army Aviation. Keep in mind that vacancy for Army Aviation is very less, and if you really want to go to Army Aviation Corps, then you must bring good merit in your respected academy. Note the point that both men and women can join in the Army Aviation. Another way is opting Army Aviation in service. Even if you are in any arms of the Indian Army, you can opt for Army Aviation. All pilots in the Indian Army are commissioned officers. You might have a doubt that what if you want to opt for Army Aviation but you are in another arm of the Indian Army? Well, then you have to fulfill two conditions. As I told before, you have to serve 1.5 years as a commissioned officers, after which you can volunteer for Army Aviation. After this, your proper medical examination will be done and there will be PABT, which become now as CPSS, that is Computerized Pilot Selection System. At this time of medical test, you will be asked few questions like whether you have given PABT or CPSS test before. If yes, then did you pass or not? And other questions like if you have any past flying or gliding experience, then you have to present documents including the proof. These details are very important because only on the basis of these details that whether an officer will get into Army Aviation or not is decided. But before joining Army Aviation, there is a lot of important things you all should know about the Army Aviation Corps. If you are a permanent commissioned officer in the Indian Army, then you have to serve 12 years and during this time you cannot apply for any retirement. Or if you are a short service commissioned officer in the Indian Army, then after the flying training you have to serve in the Indian Army for minimum 14 years. Even if you don't get permanent commission later, and in this time you cannot take any retirement. Apart from this, you cannot go to the parent arm in the first 5 years of the squadron service in the Army Aviation Corps. And one more thing is that you cannot apply for Defense Services Staff and Technical Staff courses in the first 3 years of the squadron service. If you become a part of the Army Aviation, then you have to take care of the things that I told till now. So I hope that now all of you must know how to become pilots in the Indian Army also. So friends, that's all for today. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll clear all your doubts. Subscribe to Comrades Defense Info YouTube channel to know interesting defense information like this. Jai Hind.